Usually within 48 hours, you'll start getting some impressions, but we're not going to make any adjustments until day 5. On day 5, if your impressions are too low, meaning you're getting less than 500 impressions a day per campaign, then increase your bid 10 cents, plain and simple. If you're getting like 1,000 to 2,000 impressions, you're really good right now per campaign. Over the next 10 days or so, 7 to 10 days, that's when you should start beginning clicks as well as some sales. Now, it's important at this point to ignore what your ACost is on a campaign level, because it's not going to be pretty. But it's also just not relevant, because there's a couple different levels that we have to look at here. There's the campaign level, and then inside the campaign, we look at all of the individual target. And when we start making adjustments around day 14, 2 weeks later, you click on a campaign that might have like 70% ACost, right? Which is not good. But you open it up and now you see all of the keywords that so when you click on the campaign, you open it up, you're going to see all of these keywords, these targets are going to have their own individual ACost. You're going to notice a pattern. 1, 2, or 3 of them is going to be taking the majority of your budget and probably losing money. It's probably going to be running like 80% or something like that. And all you're going to do is you're going to just turn that one target off and leave everything else. And then all the money that was being sucked into that one target is going to get funneled through the rest of the targets. And then you wait another week, right? Another 4 or 5 days. You're going to see all those other targets are going to start getting some traction. And then as soon as you see another one that starts losing a lot of money because it has like 1 sale and 20 clicks, you turn it off. And then all the other ones that only have like 6 or 7 clicks will start getting more traction, and their click number will go up and they'll start making sales. You literally just do this for every campaign for the next 60 days. That's it. If you're not getting a ton of impressions, keep raising your bids 10 cents. Don't do this 2 to 5 cent nonsense that I used to do. It's going to take you too long to learn anything meaningfully. Raise it 10 cents. Now, if you're like, Mecca, my bids are like $1.50. Your bids are too high now. Something else is broken in the campaign. You can't keep raising your bids. For most new publishers, $1.50 bid means there's something else broken. You can't just keep raising your bids. There's something else that's broken in the campaign and you have to start it over again. It just happens sometimes.